Loan officers, I have never seen this process not generate more loans, but we're going to have an uncomfortable conversation before you get the benefit from today. My name is Chris Johnstone. I'm a partner in the Mortgage Marketing Animals, and in this video, I'm going to lay out 4 simple things that you can do to close more loans right away. These 4 things are what we call the daily success plan. Here's how it works. Monday through Thursday, you dedicate just 2 hours out of the day at the very beginning of the day to do this success activity. We call this working in your business to grow your business. And then Fridays, we work on the business. On Mondays, we do what's called Thor's hammer. And on Mondays, you're making calls to a qualified list of agents and a list of 40 agents that you currently have relationships with where you are nurturing that relationship. Inside the loan officer CRM that is powered by AI, we have a Redder account that's available for just $99 a month when you upgrade from your subscription. And in there, you can pull from your local marketplace all of the qualified agents. We recommend you look at the last 12 months of history and pull out any agent that is doing a minimum of 8 buy-side transactions. You pick your market, get your list, and then upload it directly to a CRM campaign that we have written that has over a year's worth of follow-up in it. And those messages get sent out to get qualified agents who are interested in meeting with you to respond back. Our AI then kicks in, has the conversation to book them on your appointments, so you get appointments with qualified realtors. We are combining the daily success plan habit of making the calls on Monday mornings with automated messages and retargeting ads on social media for just $5 a day so that you get as many of those qualified appointments as possible. If you make those calls, you will book appointments. If you book those appointments, you will get more partners. For every 4 partners that you meet with, you should get 1 new relationship, and each relationship should be worth about 4 deals a year in your pipeline. So if you want to grow your business by a deal a month, you only need 4 new referral agents sending you business, and that increases your pipeline by a deal a month, 12 deals a year. If you want to grow bigger, you just need more contacts, and you need to work the system for longer. On Tuesday, we run the Just Ask campaign. So this is for all of the active deals that you have in process, and we're calling 6 people associated with each deal: the borrower, the co-borrower, the listing agent, the buyer's agent, the title rep, and the insurance agent. Now, inside the Loan Officer CRM, we have a Just Ask campaign where you can drop people into the funnel and it will automatically send the messages out on Tuesdays to follow up with each of those people. When you close the deal, you remove the tag from the contacts and it stops following up with the agent. The point here is that for every deal that you do, you should be able to generate at least 1, if not 2 or 3 other referrals from the other professionals and people that you are working with in that deal to grow your mortgage business. It's free leads, and they are the highest quality leads because the people you're working with already know you, like you, and trust you and can send you multiple referrals, and the people that you are referred to are already pre-sold on working with you and most likely in the market. On Wednesday, we focus on where many lenders get the majority of their business from, which is your past customer database. Now, inside loanofficercrm.ai, we have a year-long campaign for your database. So once a month, there is a theme, and that campaign is kicked off by you using the power dialer. So we have a power dialer so that you can call through more contacts in less time so that you can get through calling your database every month. Now, here's the big secret. Every month, we have a theme of a referral partner type that you can get referrals from for your database. So when we reach out, we use the proven Mortgage Marketing Animal script of, if you have any friends, family members, or coworkers that are actively looking to buy, sell, or refinance, can I count on you to pass my information along? That gets referrals. The more often we reach out to the database, the more referrals we get. We also ask for a 5-star rating and review on Google. That generates 5-star ratings and reviews and puts them in front of the highest quality online traffic. But what we also do is we educate them each month in a series of emails about working with an insurance planner, a financial planner, a realtor. And every single month, one of the referral partners that you should be generating relationships with You educate them about that topic in our templates, and when they reach out and say, hey, yeah, I'd be interested in being connected to somebody in your network, you now have a referral that you can send to a new referral partner in order to open up a referral relationship. So not only are you getting more repeat business, more referral business, and more 5-star ratings and reviews, but you're also setting up new relationships with new referral partners outside of just real estate agents. Then on Thursdays, we focus on our pre-approved and lookings. And this is so that you fund as many deals as possible. So again, we have this built as a sequence inside the loan officer CRM to keep in touch with the borrower, but you want to make sure that you're using the power dialer to make those calls. And if they don't pick up the phone, then the automated messages go out. But where this campaign really generates results is in the relationships that you build with the agents that you're working with, letting them know that you're staying in contact with that pre-approval and looking and working to make sure that they get a commission on the deal. You should be getting out of these on the other side of the transaction. So the realtor that's on the other side of the transaction, for every 4 deals that you work, you should get roughly 1 partner that agrees to work with you and send you a deal because of the quality and professionalism that you have displayed while working the deal on the other side of the transaction. Some it's going to be more, some it's going to be less, but that gives you a target to aim for. So those are the 4 days of the week and the daily success plan. It is about consistency. If you do this for a week, you might get results. But if you do this for a month and turn it into a habit and make it ongoing, there is no stopping your mortgage business, because every opportunity that you get turns into an exponential opportunity because of the system that we're following here. Now, head on over to loanofficercrm.ai. We have all of these campaigns ready to go for you. But what we also have is a free community for you to join with some of the greatest loan officers in the business following the daily success plan. It is called Loan Officer Breakfast Club. Go to loanofficerbreakfastclub.com. Every morning, Monday to Friday at 8:30 Eastern, we hop on a call and we have a mastermind around the topic of the day, but also sharing what's working now and really bringing you the cutting edge information of what's happening in the mortgage world in this incredible community family environment. It's absolutely free. Join us at loanofficerbreakfastclub.com and show up on the morning call tomorrow. It's going to be amazing. The other thing that you need to know about is call stars. I mentioned in here, you have to make phone calls in order to really make this stuff work. And I understand the telephone can be 10,000 pounds sometimes, right? It's hard to make those calls. And we host Call Stars. And it is a place where you log on. There's a little bit of coaching and scripting for like 5 minutes at the beginning of the call every day on who we're calling, why we're calling them, and the script we're using when we call them. And then everybody goes on mute. And it's sometimes hundreds of loan officers all sitting on the Zoom call, making our calls out, focusing the scripts, and then sharing our wins as we get them on Zoom. This is an absolute game changer because it creates consistency, it gets rid of hesitancy, and it supports you with a community of lenders that are all going through and getting results doing the same thing. And I would absolutely love to see you as part of that community. The first step is to head on over to loanofficercrm.ai. Get involved in the software. You've got a 100% 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like the software, come in, test it out, get your customized onboarding experience. And if you're not entirely thrilled within the first 30 days, we'll give you 100% of your money back. So there's no risk at all. All the campaigns are pre-built and ready for you. We include the power dialer. We include the video marketing tool. The Redder integration with all the qualified agent data that you need is only $99 a month extra on top of your subscription. And we've got the full training program and all the bonuses that you get on the inside. So head on over to loanofficercrm.ai, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.